Okay, so on 7 March 2020, Vedant Rusty made a video talking about Shwetabh Gangwar and his content. Exactly at 10 minutes and 25 seconds, he talked about the future of Shwetabh Gangwar as an podcaster. Exactly 9 months and 1 day after that video, the trio, Shwetabh, Prakhar and Vedant Rusty are about to launch their website for their podcast Raw and Real. The way they are looking to turn this only 3 months old thing into something big or at least sustainable is something to keep an eye on. Let me be clear, I am not having any conversations till this point with any of Shwetabh और Prakhar. So मुझे as such कोई behind the scenes ये सब चीजें नहीं पता है, but इस वीडियो में जो भी मुझे as a viewer होते हुए दिख रहा है, मैं उसके बारे में बात करूंगा. About the potential YouTube has, but अभी इंडिया में उसे कोई उतना properly exploit नहीं कर रहा है. Surely some of them do have their own brands like Label MN या फिर BBK Wines का भी एक ब्रांड है and all that. But still, I am not sure YouTube इंडिया में अभी वो कल्चर उतना कोई आ पाया है. But this raw and real thing looks to be going into the right direction. And I have a reason for it. And this video is about that reason only. And by any chance if you don't know about the podcast, it is kind of a joint venture by these three people where they have discussions on a range of topics every Thursday. So let's learn business from Raw and Real podcast. Featuring Prakhar Gupta, Shwetabh Gangwar and Vedant Rusty, aka Vedant Kaushik. Okay, so just to be a bit clear, maybe इस वीडियो में मैं तुम्हें कुछ नया या ऐसा नहीं बता दूंगा जिसे सुनकर तुम्हारे दिमाग फटकर बाहर आ जाए या कुछ भी ऐसा. It's going to be a simple video, basically a kind of compilation of what I am seeing happen. So again, maybe ये वीडियो बाकी वीडियोस जितनी फैंटास्टिक ना हो, but still इस वीडियो से भी तुम बहुत कुछ सीखने वाले हो. So let's start. Okay, so Raw and Real is a great podcast if you want perspectives, if you want to witness an intellectual discussion going on live in front of your screen. It no doubt makes you think better in a lot of ways. But इस podcast के साथ एक बड़ी simple but evident problem है. A problem which I am aware of, possibly तुम्हें भी पता होगी. And of course, इस problem के बारे में श्वेताभ, वेदांत, प्रखर ये लोग भी जानते ही होंगे. The problem of being real. Yes, इंटरनेट पर रियल होना भी एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. कई बार तुम्हें बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ब्रांड्स कम मिलते हैं. Sometimes you lose on what could have been your potential connections with people. And in some extreme cases, अगर तुम किसी पावरफुल इंसान या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बोल देते हो जो उसे पसंद ना आए, you still can get into some trouble. And since that podcast thing is live, these problems amplify themselves a lot. कई बार तुम flow में कुछ ऐसा कह देते हो which may have serious consequences. So the risk is real. The problem is real. But so are the benefits. Okay, because of all those problems, आज की डेट में इंटरनेट पर रियल होना is a tough choice. And hence, जब तुम ऐसा करते हो तो of course तुम्हें कई benefits भी होते हैं. अगर तुम एक तरीके से सोचो तो raw and real है क्या? 3 well-read people having a simple discussion. That's it. Nothing more or nothing less. It's a simple discussion. Nothing fancy into it. Nothing scripted. None of it. Still, this simple discussion is something exotic for us. Something unique, which we are not accustomed to. And hence, it is booming. People are liking the rawness, the perspectives and all that in an entertaining environment. But the problem is still there. या तो तुम ऐसे किसी वेंचर को ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करो, और the better way would be to even make it more economically viable. And that is exactly what I will talk about in this next section. So the solution is simple. Since the content is for the audience, उस content को support भी वही लोग करेंगे. It is a model similar to Salil Jamdar. His content is not that much for the brands. I mean, talking logically, it is because उसकी audience is quite connected to him. But I don't know. Reality तो यही है that not many brands sponsor that type of content. And even Salil भी किसी भी brand को promote नहीं कर सकता है. He is having a image to stay consistent with. सिंपल, he directly asked his audience to support him. इसके कई फायदे हैं। अब सलिल को स्पॉन्सर्स के बारे में नहीं सोचना। अब स्पॉन्सर्स उसके कंटेंट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते। अब सलिल जामदार has 100% control on what and how he wants to produce. That is how audience funding has helped him. Talking about raw and real, they possibly can take this even one step ahead. Salil Jamdar directly asked for funds with no product as such. That's kind of crowdfunding. But raw and real, as it is evident by this section of their website, are going to launch their own products. Something material and which can be of use to the people who wish to help this podcast Raw and Real attain great heights. And see, this raw and real merchandise possibly is going to be quite different than other brands people have, and I have a reason for it. The reason is that they may not have an audience of 1 million, but उनकी जो भी 70 to 80,000 audience है, that is more connected to them. They may lack the width in their audience at this point of time, but the depth is something to talk about. इसे तुम इस एग्जाम्पल से समझो। मान लो a person X has an audience of 1 million people. वहीं another person Y is having an audience of only 0.1 million people. But Y की audience is more deeply connected to him compared to that person X. Hence होगा क्या, जब कुछ एक्शन लेने की बारी आएगी, X के 1 मिलियन में से मान लो 1000 लोग उस एक्शन को लेते हैं, तो चांसेस आर कि Y के 0.1 मिलियन लोगों में से भी अराउंड 1000 लोग उस एक्शन को ले लेंगे, बिकॉज Y की ऑडियंस उससे ज्यादा कनेक्टेड है। इन अदर वर्ड्स, पर्सन Y का कन्वर्जन रेट वुड बी मच हायर देन पर्सन X, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस मर्ज थिंग may work more for raw and real podcast when compared to say someone else. Now if you want to skip you can, but if you want to watch something thought provoking, click this video right now. And of course वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक भी जरूर कर देना, and connect with me on Instagram at CRITIKKK, 3 के हैं ध्यान से।